Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. The default WooCommerce checkout form loads all of the form on the one page, and it is overwhelming and difficult for your customers to complete. With FunnelKit, you can convert the default form into a beautiful multi-step form that guides your users through the checkout process. You also have complete control over the fields in your form, including being able to add or remove fields, drag and drop fields to reorder them, create your own sections, and you can even add your own custom form fields without needing to buy an additional plugin. Here's a look at each of them in more detail, starting with our powerful multi-step checkout feature. In FunnelKit, under Store Checkout, click Add New Step. Select your page builder, then choose to start with a blank page, or alternatively select one of our pre-made templates. I'll select to preview our Shopee template. I will select two-step and then click Import this template. On the next page, under the Design tab, scroll down to see the Advanced Form Builder, review your form's current setup, and if it all looks good, click Save and you're done. Now when your customers add items into their cart and reach your checkout page, they will see a professionally designed multi-step checkout form that makes buying from your store much simpler and easier than before. Coming back to the form builder, let's now explore some of the ways that you can customize your WooCommerce checkout form. Firstly, you can enable and disable fields via the following, and you can change a field's label and placeholder text too. You can even remove fields entirely. You can manage the sections in your checkout form. You can click to rename a specific section to your liking, or even create your own sections. In this example, I will create a new section called Gift Message. I will create a new custom form field so that customers can write a gift message to be included with their order. These are all the different types of fields you can create. In this example, I will select paragraph text, then I will select to show this on the thank you page and in the order receipt email, and click add. And then I'll add that new custom form field into my custom section. Lastly, clicking on step 2, I've decided that I want to separate shipping and payment methods into their own separate steps. To add a third step to this checkout form, I'll click add new step, and that moves my payment gateways as intended. I'll click save, and here is our final form we just built together. As you can see, the multi-step layout simplifies the checkout for your customers, making it clear what information they need to provide at each stage. Customizing your store's checkout is just one of the many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high-converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.